for checking out this brand new guitar tutorial. In this lesson, we're going to be looking at how you play You Can't Stop the Girl by Bebe Rexha on the acoustic guitar. Now, before you do anything, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, and if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up as we go along. Also, if you have any comments, please use the comments box below and answer any questions that you may have. Right then, let's dive in and take a look and see how we play this song. Okay, so here we are zoomed into the neck and the sound hole of the guitar. First thing that you'll notice, we have got a capo across the 5th fret of the neck. So if you haven't got a capo, there's a different way of playing this, but for this tutorial and to keep it as beginner friendly as possible, you'll need to get a capo and put it on the 5th fret. So the chords that you'll need, or the chord shapes that you'll need, are an A major, an E minor, a G major, and a D major as well. Now, when I talk about these chords, these are actually the shapes as if we're playing in the first position and open chords. However, because we've got the capo there, it isn't actually A major, it's a D major if we were playing it without the capo. However, for the sake of making it as beginner friendly as possible, we've got our capo and we're going to talk about the open chords. So we're going to talk about an A major shape. So let's have a look at that A major shape. How do I play it? Well, I actually play it slightly different. I don't use my first finger. I use my second, third and fourth, my pinky finger to play it, because I find it easier to transition to an E minor playing it like that. So we have got, or I have got, my second finger on the 7th fret of the 4th string. And remember, I'm talking the 7th fret as if the capo wasn't there. If we're talking about the capo being there, well, it's 1, 2. It's fret number 2 up from the capo. However, I'm going to talk as if the capo isn't there. 7th fret, 2nd finger, 4th string. 3rd finger is going to be tucked underneath on the 7th fret of the 3rd string. And then our pinky finger is going to be tucked underneath that on the 2nd string of the 7th fret. We're going to strum from string number 5 down. So let's have a look at the plucking pattern for that. We're going. So I'm starting with my thumb plucking the 5th string, along with my 3rd finger plucking the 2nd string. E minor. So, A major, E minor, and that E minor is 2nd finger, 7th fret, 5th string, 3rd finger, 7th fret, 4th string, and I'm plucking the 6th string and the 2nd string together. Those two together. And then we're going to move to that G. Now with the G, all I'm doing is put my 1st finger on fret number 7, string number 5, 2nd finger on fret number 8, string number 6, and I'm not actually using my 3rd or pinky finger, I'm actually having open strings there. So let's try those 3 chords together. And then we move to the D major. And that D major, I'm taking my 2nd finger off. So I've got 1st finger, 7th fret, 3rd string, and then I've got my 3rd finger, 8th fret, 2nd string. And I'm plucking my 4th string with my thumb and 1st string with my 3rd finger, and then following the strings down. So let's try those chords together now. So we've got. Let's slow that right down. And then what we're going to do, we're going to introduce our strumming. We've got same chords, but we're going to use our right hand and make it a bit more rhythmical. We're not going to have a plectrum, we're just going to use our fingers. So we're going to go. What's the rhythm there? So I'm going down, up, 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 down. Go, a very quick tutorial. Hope this song helps you out, or hope this tutorial helps you out with the song. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I've got loads more videos coming out very soon, so I shall see you again.